Hi everyone, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to look at some features in visualization on Power BI. So let's quickly go into it. The first feature we are going to take a look at is themes. So changing themes called theme colors. So let's go to quickly look at that. Let's go to view. Then you can see your themes right here. Let's pick like a dark theme. Let's say this. I love dark themes a lot. They are usually beautiful. So this is a dark theme. So right now, I can see I'm not comfortable with the font size and all of those. So to change this feature, this font size across the charts in one go, I will go to view, then customize current theme. So on customize current theme, I'm okay with the colors I have here on the innovate current theme. So also the font colors, the graduation of the font colors, I'm totally fine with that. I come to text. So I'm fine with 10. Then title, I make title 11, font size 11. Then card KPIs, I make this is a card here. I make this 25. So 45 is too large for me. So for my tab headers, I make it 11 just to keep consistency. For visuals now, background, I leave background as black. Border, no, I prefer my visuals without borders. Then headers, I leave them as black. Yeah. Tooltips, I just leave as they are. Then for my page, the wallpaper, yeah, maybe I make this like transparency. Let me make transparency 20. Page background, I leave as this. So you can see the wallpaper right here. You can see it's more transparent than the page background itself. I come to my filter pane. On my filter pane, I leave this is a filter pane here. I leave it as black. Then I just leave it as it is. What I just adjusted is slightly the font size. I click on apply. You can see just some changes happening there. So this is just changing themes and all the basic part of it. So another thing we are going to look at is aligning our charts. For example, if I click on this chart and click on this chart, you can see that they are not aligned. One key feature of one turn off with the Power BI report is that when someone sees all your charts, everything is scattered all over the place. So it's a really big turn off. So let's quickly just align these charts. So for all these at the top, I click on the four charts. So with holding control, or so I can also highlight the four. If they are on the same line, it will be more easier to just highlight them. But I can click on them, click, 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 holding control. Then I go to my format. I go to format, then align. I align top. So everything is aligned at the top for these charts. So for these ones also, I click on this, this. Yes. I also come to format, align, I align top. Nice. So all my charts are aligned, are beautiful. This, I can adjust this a bit, adjust it downwards a bit just to be on the same line. Wait, let me just click outside the chart. So just to be on the same line with what I have here. So this is aligned and much more beautiful compared to what we had before. So I can just align this manually to this side. Yes. So for these charts, I can't see these numbers properly for these do not charts. So since I have two of them here, I hold control, highlight the two. I think I still need to align this. Yeah. I highlight the two, come to this that looks like a paintbrush. That is the format. I highlight these two similar charts, come to the paintbrush, I go to data labels, right? So this is showing category data value. I can change this to reflect just the percentage of total. You can see, I can make this 0 decimal place just to, and for this same chart, I can see that my category by the left, I can't quite see it completely. So what I can do right there is to come to my legend. So this is right center. I can bring it to the top so we can see what it means here. Oh, it seems these two charts are showing the same thing, right? So let me change what this is showing. Let me come to my customer. Instead of mobile app description, let me put debit card description there. Okay, really nice. So this is just showing how you can do some adjustments on your charts. And now this as well, I'm not saying these names properly here. They're not coming up properly, the name of the supervisors. So that we will adjust in the subsequent videos when we are looking at more advanced visualization. So the next thing to do here is just to put a title. So let me adjust this card a bit. Yeah, since it's now smaller, just place it nicely out there. So let me just add a title. To add a title, I go to on my below my home, I see this text box. So I can move this text box up here. So just adjust it a bit and put my title there. I call this customer dashboard. So I can highlight Control A and change the font size to 24. So whatever is comfortable for me and still looks good. So 24, just adjust those lines and place it here. So here is my first visual. I can share this with anyone that I want. And just the next thing to change here, which we are going to see in subsequent videos when we are doing our visualization, is the title and all of those. So thanks for watching again. See you in the next video.